Today for dinner, I'm making a Western dish, grilled lamb shoulder with homemade mushroom sauce. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 530 grams or 2 pieces of lamb shoulder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground white pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and quarter teaspoon of coarse black pepper. These are the ingredients used to marinate the lamb shoulder. We will take a look at the other ingredients for the mushroom sauce and the side dish later on. Start with mixing all the seasoning together. In a large bowl, add in paprika powder, garlic powder, and quarter teaspoon of ground white pepper. We will use the other half later on. Mix it until well combined. Okay, this should be enough. Next, sprinkle salt on the lamb shoulder. And the balance of the pepper. Rub it to ensure that salt and pepper are well absorbed. Turn the lamb shoulder to the other side and repeat. Next, sprinkle the generous amount of the seasoning powder on the lamb shoulder and marinate it. Turn to the other side and repeat until all the seasoning powder has finished. Lastly, sprinkle the coarse black pepper on the lamb shoulder to marinate it. Flip to the other side and repeat. Cover the lamb shoulders and leave it aside. Leave it to marinate for 30 minutes while we prepare the mushroom sauce. For best result, allow it to marinate for minimum of 2 hours. These are the homemade mushroom sauce ingredients: 95 grams of white button mushroom, 100 ml of cooking cream, 15 grams of unsalted butter, 1 stem of rosemary, quarter teaspoon of salt, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and quarter teaspoon of pepper. Begin with cutting the mushroom to thin slices. Put them in a bowl and leave it aside. Heat the pan and wait until the pan is hot. This will take about 30 seconds. Melt the butter until it has completely turned into liquid. Add in rosemary, the garlic. Give it a stir for about 10 to 15 seconds. Wow, there is a lovely fragrance of butter and rosemary. Add in the mushroom. Give it a stir. Add in pepper and salt. Continue to stir for about 20 seconds or until the mushroom becomes slightly soft. Next, add in the cooking cream. Give it a stir and continue to cook for 2 more minutes. Alright, the mushroom sauce is boiling. When the time is up, cover the lid and allow it to rest in the pan while we grill the lamb shoulder. Now 30 minutes has passed. Let's grill the lamb. Switch on the heat and wait for about 2 minutes for the pan to get hot. Today, I'm using a stainless steel grill pan. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Use a brush to spread the oil around the pan. Add in the lamb shoulder, piece by piece. Cook the lamb shoulder for 4 minutes. I have some fresh rosemary here. Put it on the top of the lamb shoulder to infuse a lovely fragrance. Wow, the smell is really making me hungry now. After 4 minutes, flip the lamb shoulder. And grill on the other side for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the lamb shoulders are cooked. Remove them from the pan and place on the serving plate. Next, the mushroom sauce. After cooking the lamb shoulder, we have a lot of lamb flavor left in the pan. I am adding the mushroom sauce here to add a depth of the lamb flavor to the sauce. This consistency is just nice and perfect. It is not too thick or thin. Switch off the heat. Remove some of the rosemary stems and add it on the top of the lamb shoulder. Wow, this looks so yummy. I am so hungry already. Add on with the side dish of boiled broccoli and baby carrot. I will share the link of these two recipes in the description box. Let's eat! Wow, so good! Lamb is delicious. The mushroom sauce is super creamy and delicious. These two go really well together. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!